Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series. Today we learn how to write a program to calculate HCF highest common factor and or GCD greatest common divider. It means it is the highest integer that perfectly divide of given two numbers. Okay, like example, if 12 and 14 is a given two numbers, 2 is the highest number that perfectly divide both. If you consider 3 is not divide to 14. If 4 is not divide to 14, if like that. So highest integer that perfectly divide these given two number is the HCF and or GCD, highest common factor and greatest common divider. So let's start this program. We write with the help of function and loop. Let's start. So first of all we require two numbers. So num1 is equal to and is type is the integer and input by user, so input and bracket string single quote and the message is enter first number colon for spacing. Okay, enter spelling and first spelling. Okay, copy this because we require two numbers and change here is num2 and the second number. Now we get the two numbers. If we run the program asks enter first number and second number. Okay, fine. The next is we define a function, self-defined function. How to self-define function? Using def and the variable name is or function name is compute underscore HCF. Okay, this is the name and the variable is x comma y. Okay, we have two variables. We create a function computer underscore HCF by def. You can create your own function by this. Okay, compute spelling mistake for again. Okay, now we have compute function. Under the compute HCF we write this program, we call anytime by type the compute underscore HCF. So condition, if first of all we require to check whose number is greatest between the num1 and num2. Okay, so first of all we check x value is greater than y. If x value is greater than y, so what happen? Then smaller a variable is equal to y, else smaller is equal to x. Okay, so we have two variable x and y. If x, now due to this condition we know that who is the smaller number. Enter. After this create a loop for I in range. What is the range? We check starting from 1 to smaller plus 1. Why smaller plus 1? I tell you, when we give the range, let's example you give the range 1 comma 5. It takes 1 2 3 4, not include 5. That's why smaller plus 1. Now if smaller value is 4, he take 1 2 3 4. This is the range, not take 5. Okay, after this if condition, if x is perfectly divide for percentile I is starting from 1 to smaller plus 1. If is equal to 0, remainder is equal to 0, then and same as y, if y percentile I is equal to 0, what happen? Then HCF is I is equal to I, and the return value is I, and return value is HCF. Now the program is finished. Enter, print. We explain again one line by line. String, the HCF is, we call the function is compute, after comma compute HCF, and what is the value? num1 comma num2 bracket close. First we check the program, then we run again, explain line by line. When we run the program asks the first value. We put 24 example, second value 56. The answer is, the HCF is 8. Now check. We take smaller value for checking. First number is 3, second is 5, and the HCF is 1. Okay, now check. Due to first line num1 integer, means we tell about the numbers. Input enter first number. This is a message in single quote. Okay, due to this line he asked enter first number, and I input the first number is 2. Due to this line he asked the second number, and we input 3. Now we have two number, 2 and 3. Okay, we define a function compute underscore HCF that have two variable x and y. If x is greater than y, then y is smaller, else x is smaller. For I range in 1 comma smaller plus 1, if this value is percentile I is equal to 0, and though if I values both perfectly divide x and y, then HCF is I, and return value HCF. Now what happened? The two value we have 2 and 3, and the smaller is 2. This means range is smaller plus 2 plus 1. So range of I is 1, 2, only the two values. Okay, what he did, first of all he take 1 and divide x percentile by 1, 0 is perfectly right. 1 divided by y, remainder is 0, perfectly right. Then he go to the second value, 2 is x is divided by 2 is perfectly 0, is good, but y is 3 values, not perfectly divided by 2. So he return value is HCF is I. So he give the answer is HCF of these two value is I. If any doubt, please explain, please comment and subscribe. Please support my channel, and this script you can copy from the description list. Thank you very much.